Hello! In this video, you'll learn the sound. The letters E and R together makes the sound. To remember the sound, let's add a fun, jolly phonics action to it. I'm going to use only one hand, but I want you to use two hands. Roll your hands together and say like a mixer blending. Let's do it again. Good job. Let's practice reading the sound in words. Remember, whenever you see E and R, say okay? Her, her, verb, 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 herb, herb, curb, curb, ist, ist, sist, sister, sister, river, at, let, letter, never. Great job, kids. You did so well. I'm proud of you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.